Medycyna personalizowana, nazywana również medycyną precyzyjną, zakłada dostosowanie leczenia do indywidualnego pacjenta. Bardzo często jest już wykorzystywana w leczeniu onkologicznym. To taka terapia szyta na miarę i bez wątpienia w przyszłości w medycynie będzie wykorzystywana jeszcze niejednokrotnie. A o przyszłości zdrowia już teraz opowie Irma Veberic, menadżer generalna Roche Polska. Zapraszam.
Dzień dobry. For 2 years now, I've been leading a great team here in Poland. And I'm really grateful that I can be back on the impact stage. In a few minutes, I will talk about the future of health and the transformation of healthcare, which can be done via collaboration and partnership. Before that, I will talk about the personalized medicine, personalized health driven by data and digital. But I would like to start by pointing out the huge challenge. We can say even the huge irony, which can be solved with just 2 words. Words behind me are very impactful, very strong, very meaningful. Just pause for a while and think about people who are struggling with the biggest fear of unknown, people who are struggling with the biggest fear of the worst. These words are really meaningful for them. As always, one will think about the meaning. Others will ask about the context. So let me give you a bit of context by asking 2 questions. Has cancer touched the life of someone dear to you? Even maybe you. So here you need to collaborate with me and answer the question with raising the hand. Thank you. Did you know how to respond? What to say? Were you able to find the right words in this really, really difficult situation? Please raise your hand. And that's the reality. In the survey conducted last year here in Poland, 7 out of 10 respondents said they didn't know how to respond. 6 out of 10, they felt helpless. Kocham cię. Jestem obok. These are really strong words I would like to pass on. And I'm inviting you not to do the same mistake I did when my sister-in-law got this diagnosis. I said something, wszystko będzie okay. No, don't do this. Kocham cię, hug the person, and that's the biggest thing you can do for the patient who is suffering. Cancer is a leading cause of death. 10 million patients are dying each and every year, globally. Here in Poland, 120,000 patients are dying every year because of cancer. Literally, we can say every second year, Gdynia is disappearing. That's really shocking, and we really need to act. So let me move to another just 2 words. Personalized medicine. The knowledge about cancer has been significantly increasing in last decades. We know now that cancer is not a particular organ disease. Cancer is a gene disease. Genes are mutating. We can even say genes are mutating and mistakes happen in DNA, and that's leading to the growth of cancer. That's the simplest definition. We also know that the cancer can be caused in a different way in a different patient. And two patients with the same localization can have different mutations. And therefore, different treatments are needed. One size fits all doesn't exist anymore. No longer localization should force what the treatment should look like. The right treatment for the right patient at the right time for the right value, that's the approach which is the most successful. And that's the approach we are able to do it. Our business spans diagnostic, pharmaceutical, and insights. And we are able to cover the entire patient journey. And yes, we are committed to rewrite the story of health together with you, one patient at a time. And if we are able to save few patients out of 120,000 dying each and every year in Poland, we need to do this. Let me move to another two very impactful words. And we have heard today a lot about the digital and data. The digital revolution in healthcare can go in two ways. Firstly, collect the data from each and every patient. And secondly, to connect this data to the larger pools of other patients in order to be ready to be analyzed with the artificial intelligence-supported algorithms. Real-world data, molecular information gathered from next-generation sequencing, comprehensive genomic profiling, all the wearable devices, all apps, together with novel clinical trials, this is transforming. This is the future of health. Let's remember, digital and data are the future of health. And of course, personalized healthcare. Personalized healthcare is not anymore a theory. It's here. We are able to do it. In order to bring the personalized health to life, in Roche, we are focusing on 4 aspects. The first one is early and accurate diagnostic. We can do it. The second one is tailored individual care plan. With the personalized medicines available, absolutely possible. The third one, full access to optimal care intervention. And the last one, where I personally believe it's so much to be done. It is a continuous and remote patient monitoring. With this, we can improve patients' life. And of course, throughout all this, we are collecting so many data. We know how sensitive this is, but at the same time, how meaningful this could be. But we need to keep in our mind that the majority of data is still just floating around, floating and no connection within this data. So the personal healthcare, there is an irony. It should be at scale, a massive scale. So looking forward to the European health data space, we have an excellent opportunity to really go massive scale also in the healthcare. It is worth to go back and check what other industries are doing. Let's look what Amazon, what Netflix and Spotify are doing. They are really brilliantly distilling each and every bite of the information they are gathering from us when we are connected to the system. And then they are continuously improving solutions and offering toward us. Can you imagine that we will do the similar thing with health? And European health data space, starting in 2025, all countries will need to be connected. That's the opportunity we need to use. And yes, we are at a pivotal moment of the healthcare history. With a personalized healthcare, we have opportunity to really change our systems, to finally be sustainable and resilient. So in these few minutes, I try to cover a bit what is personal medicine? What's the role of data and digital in it? What is a personalized healthcare? So what is still missing? In order to unlock the power of all three, holistic view and collaboration and partnership, it is clear no one can solve this problem on their own. A collaboration and partnership will bring us to the resilient and sustainable healthcare. And at the end, as emphasized at the beginning, just 2 words. Healthcare is human care. Machine learning, blockchain, artificial intelligence, yes, but we need emotional intelligence, we need to be compassionate, and we need to stay human. Tylko 2 słowa. Dziękuję bardzo.